See, first of all, this quantification factor is really difficult in yoga. Okay, and never do it. My request to you, all of you, because some people may require, see, activation of chakra. I cannot even say that okay, my chakras are activated, her chakras are not activated. Okay, so those kind of quantitative estimation in yoga is not that way done. I can only say that okay, Divya at this age also not suffering from any disease, but some Kavya, your friend, is suffering from so many diseases. The reason is only thing that her chakras are activated, whereas Kavya's chakras are not activated. Okay. So it's a very simple thing, but you will find that over the period of time, for this purpose, sky is the limit, right? To hold yourself, never allow yourself to get into a pathological holding of this. Never allow yourself. So that's why yoga is yatha shakti nirantaram, right? So yatha shakti you should do. Don't hold yourself too much, okay? Or don't allow yourself to do something which is very easy and you are not getting any stretch. So it should be yatha shakti nirantara. So quantification, my request is that it is a idiosyncratic quantification. What does that means? Every person will have its own time that should be taken. So that is very important. Person may get fraction of second only, or the person may hold for a minute.